Hey guys, once again it's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today's video we will see how to convert as a text into the handwriting format using one of the tips and tricks. So let's start as a detailed demonstration in Mac screen. So guys, let's start. Simply I open here Google and just type here text to handwriting. The first link is display here. I already put it the link in video description. So you just simply click here. After that you clicking here, look at this here, text to handwriting convert for the free artificial intelligence based human writing convert. That easy to convert your computer text to human writing format. It's one of the outstanding features introducing the text to handwriting.com. So look at this here, such kind of notebook you have already. So how you add here some of the text. So now here without line, pure blank page, click. So look at this is a blank page and I type here like a demo assignment and consider, and we are added here some of the text. So which text I add here? So look at this. So suppose for example here is my text, I copy this text and I paste here. So look at this here, as it is text I am added here. Here is my text, for example the computerized text or word text. Look at this here, and this is handwritten text. So demo text, and you can decide where you want to enter like this. You can decide like a one line space, here also one line space. You can see here again one line space, and here some of the handwritings are available. You can change the which handwriting you like or which handwriting you don't like, accordingly decide. But I go with handwriting one, that one is really amazing. Curly, you can increase the font size also here if you want to increase the heading font size. Like suppose for example I go with 60. So like here the 60 font heading, the handwriting text, and then already, and you can click to here download the image. I click here and look at this, the page is downloaded image, and that one is really amazing. After that you can take a color printout and submit your assignment paper. No one are recognize your writing or using computer. You just convert as a text format to handwriting. It's very simple to use this platform. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.